Thank you for joining me on MeasureLogic's video series. My name is Mark. Today I'm going to help you connect your DTS meter to your network. The method I'll be showing you in this video uses the Windows application DTS Discover. If you are using a Mac, please reference our Accessing Web Pages video. If you do not already have DTS Discover downloaded, please visit MeasureLogic.com and click the software heading. Scroll down until you see the Download DTS Discover link. Click it and a Dropbox tab will open. Click the Download button in the top right. You may be prompted to log in, but this is not necessary. Click Continue with Download Only. Open the downloaded zip file and click on the Setup file. A Windows pop-up may stop you from doing this. Click More Information and Run Anyway. Click Next through the windows to proceed. A window will say Install Complete. You may close it. Find the new DTS Discover icon on your desktop and open the application. When it opens, it will populate any MeasureLogic DTS meters that are connected on your network. Your device name will be on the left, followed by its serial number, IP address, MAC address, and current status. The status bar on the bottom shows the network settings of your computer. My computer is at IP address 192.168.1.29. To add a new meter, power it on and connect it to the Ethernet communications. After a few moments, it will populate in your meters list with a New icon on the right side. Your DTS meter was shipped with DHCP client enabled, and thus the status will be green. Click the Settings gear on the right to set up the networking parameters. To set your DTS meter to a static IP address, uncheck DHCP client and enter the IP address that is assigned to this meter. In my case, I'm changing the DHCP assigned address of 192.168.1.68 to 192.168.1.199. Click in a different field before clicking Apply Changes. After a few moments, you will see your DTS meter show up at its new IP address, and the old one will show as lost, then be removed from the list. If your DTS meter has an existing static IP address that you would like to change, the same steps apply, but the DHCP client button will already be unchecked. If your status is yellow, your DTS meter is not reachable. This means one of two things. The first is that the IP address of your DTS meter is not on the same subnet as your computer. To get your DTS meter on the same subnet as your computer, click on the Settings gear and adjust the network settings to match that of your PC. These settings are in the status bar on the bottom. I am changing the gateway to 192.168.1.1. The subnet mask in this instance is the same. I am changing the IP address to 192 192.168.1.215. If you don't know your DNS 1 and 2 for your network, you can use the Google DNS server as we have here. The last octet of your meter's IP address must be different from that of your computer, as well as any devices on your network. Once the network settings are adjusted to match, first the meter will show as lost and then as new. The status will be green. The second possibility is two DTS meters are set to the same IP address, as shown by this icon. One will need to be changed in the same manner as before, so they are no longer conflicting. Once either of these conflicts are resolved, the status will change to green. For more information on these and additional status colors, click the Help button in the upper left corner. For alternative methods beyond DTS Discover, please see our other videos explaining the connections of your DTS meter to your network available on the MeasureLogic YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me on MeasureLogic's video series. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.